Happy birthday, Gabby! Have a good day!
Hope you have a good day!
Happy birthday, Gabby! Sana di mo ako masyado na-miss, you know. I hope you have a good birthday. Ilan taon ka na? I hope that you achieve all the goals that you have set for yourself. And mag-study ka lagi. Like, don't fail your classes. And kailan ka ba mag-graduate? Like, you know, but yeah. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Hey everyone! Gabby! Happy birthday! Happy 21st birthday! Wow! 21 ka na! Di mo, ang bilis ng panahon. Sayang lang wala ako dyan sa araw na to. Pero, ang wish ko ay maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Enjoy your day and matupad mo lahat ang dream mo. At I'm so proud of you dahil isa ka mabuting bata, mabuting anak. I love you so much and I miss you. Enjoy everyone. Bye.